Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you could add drop shadow to text on Instagram story. So the drop shadow, the black drop shadow you hear under the text really helps a pop against a lighter background. So if you have a yellow background with the white text, then you can add a drop shadow to your text to enhance your Instagram story. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up the Instagram mobile application. Swipe to right to open up the camera. From here, you can either take a photo or a picture or a video, anything which you want, and you can also select the video or a photo from your gallery. I'm simply going to take a photo. Now I'm changing the background. For that, I'll tap on draw, select the color and tap on the screen. Now as you guys can see that it has been changed to yellow. Tap on text. Now in order to add text, simply tap on the text option. So for here I am simply going to add drop shadow. Once you have typed in your text, simply tap on the check mark at the top of the screen. Then in order to add a drop shadow, tap on the text icon again. Again write the same. Now what you have to do is to simply change the color by tapping on the color wheel and change the color to black. Okay, so guys, now what you have to do is to tap on the text icon again retype the same exact text, but now what you have to do is to change the color of this text to any of the color. For example, I am changing it to yellow. Tap on tick at the top of the screen, adjust both of these with the same, and now you will get a shadow effect. Now as you guys can see that it has been created as the shadow effect. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.